Yep.
Come past. Whee.
Bit of lotion.
Oh, paprika!
There's one blooper.
Yeah, you bet. See if I can get a better corner.
Take two.
Hey.
Oh.
That's great. Oh, good save. Oh,
Beginner's course.
see how easy it is?
Oh yeah, I knew it was easy. I just
You didn't trust yourself. See, you just need someone with a push.
it'll be my luck, and I'll tip it. Then I'll have to get it.
Yeah, that's the next video. Lou goes for a swim.
Fake turtle.
Yeah, fake turtle. Fake turtle. Fake turtle, never thought of that. It turns on a dime when you, if you go,
It's so good.
I'll go with the duck. Yeah, cut him off the duck. Quack, quack. Hey,
Stay off my land.
this is my swamp, boy. Go.
Right. I'm just zooming in. Yeah, it's not working. Oh. Oh yeah. Are you hitting a stick? You weren't even touching it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you were hitting a stick. Oh! Oh, nice. Really?
That's funny. We're stuck both of the both boats. Oh yeah, I'm out. Yay! Did you just get that?
Yeah. Oh, I'm spinning. Yeah, smash it again from the side. Yeah, nice. Oh, come on. I wasn't even. Gotta watch where I'm filming. Yeah, I reckon, hit it from that side again. Surely, eventually it's. Uh-oh.
What's that?
Oh no, I thought you got stuck. I think it died. Oh no, it's good.
Oh, oh, there we go again. Alright, it's like left one.
Is it gonna die? Come back.
No, I'm guiding it.
Oh.
It's going in circles now.
You can't control it?
No, oh, here we go. Yeah, come on, turn. That's the battery going, clunk, clunk, clunk.
Oh, don't go too far. I'm not swimming.
That embankment over there. Wait,
You can't turn
now
it
it's
back.
going straight ahead.
You can't turn it back this way? That's where the sharks are, though. Oh, see? There's the shark. It jumped. Yeah, come this way. Yeah. Less swimming.
Oh, I should go around in circles. I've got to do it in jumps. So I think that's going to be sort of play. And then
Carl?
just do it. Can you step on that besides the stick? Don't fall in. And the last thing you want to do is, yeah. Oh, I'm guessing it is. Is it colder or is it muddy though? Are you sinking in? Maybe you should just get down and float around. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh. It's pretty steep. Hang on. Hang on, I got it. I'll bring it to you. There you go. You got it? Be careful. Don't slip in, otherwise you'll have to get the other one. Hang on, I'll just stop the prop. You got it. Yeah, just when you bring it over, be careful. Hey, one saved. Thank you, sir. You kind sir.
Coming out of the bushes.
That's funny.
Just going on the record to say I said this was a very, very, very terrible idea. But the man loves his boats. What about your back strap? Yeah. Just be careful what's underneath. Cold doesn't bother you?
Oh, stick.
Yeah, use it as rev. Oh, there you go. Wait, you can walk there? Yep. Sort of hard. Come this way. Oh, it's only going one way. Oh, it's got stuff stuck to it, that's why. You'll be right there. Okay, go. Are you okay? You're a madman. You want a hand?
I got it. Well, let's do this. Bring a towel for your car.